Okay, the shotgun. We're going to start the shotgun by jumping together on both feet. In this dance that we're practicing for, cornbread and butter beans, we have our right foot up in the air. We just did something with a touch slide at the end. So our right foot is up, but doesn't matter because we can go whichever way we want. We're going to jump together with our feet like this. Weight is even. And then we're going to go out to the left. So after we jump together, jump, step out to the left, step, double, step, touch, step, double, step, touch. You're kind of doing the same sequence of steps twice in a row, but the rhythm is quite different from the first time to the second time. So from the shotgun, from the jump together at the beginning, we'll go jump, step, double, step, touch, step, double, step, touch. And that's the rhythm. Let me do it with the count. Shotgun, that's the first half of the shotgun. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. One more time, shotgun with the count. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. And your left foot is free when you're finished with that. One more time with the words. Jump together on 1. Jump, step, double, step, touch, step, double, step, touch. Second half, step forward, step, tap, hop, heel, step, tap, step, double, hop, step. That second half again. Step forward, step, tap, hop, heel, step. When we do that hop, heel, step, what Muscle Rock usually does is they go hop, heel, step, just to give it a different, more fun styling. But it's just hop, heel, step. So that heel doesn't have any weight. Hop, heel, step, and then you step down on it. Hop, heel, step. So the second half, step forward. I turn a little bit to the side, might be helpful. So that second half, we just touched in front. The second half, we're going to step forward, step, tap, hop, heel, step, tap, and then step back and do an Irish at the end. Not a Canadian, not a Sonic, an Irish at the end. The second half again with the count. Starts on and 5. And 5, and a 6, and 7, 8, and a 8. And then our left foot is free at the end. One more time, the second half. And 5, and a 6, and 7, 8, and a 8. The second half with the words. Step, tap, hop, heel, step, tap, step, double, hop, step. So the two halves of the shotgun together. Jump together on 1. I'll do it with the counts first. Oh, are you trying to make a guest appearance? Good girl. Okay, shotgun. Jump together on 1. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. I'll do it again a little bit angled to the side. Okay, good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, you. This is my assistant. Okay. So the shotgun. One more time with counts. A little bit facing the side so you can see what all my feet are doing. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. Again, the shotgun with the words. Jump, step, double, step, touch, step, double, step, touch, step, tap, hop, heel, step, tap, step, double, hop, step. And again, shotgun with the words facing a little bit sideways. Jump, step, double, step, touch, step, double, step, touch, step, tap, hop, heel, step, tap, step, double, hop, step. And then our left foot is free at the end. And that's the shotgun.